Hey everyone, it's 8 in the morning. We are going to a factory in Huizhou. The company name is Testnview and it's the biggest factory in China producing smart accessories for the car. Okay everyone, this is the assembly line of Testnview. So we are going to see the product, like how they put together, and in the end how we're going to get the final product over here. This is the part like where start from the motherboard. They started placing a heat stickers on top of the motherboard, and the next here they're fixing the display on the motherboard. And also they have like cables over there. They're just fixing the screws and they put it in the front shell. Then this is where they're just fixing the camera. They clean all the particles from the product. Here they put the pressure in the product to make sure it's stable and everything fixed properly. You can see it in the display. If everything is running perfectly, you can see the green, then the product is perfect. This is the place where they're testing voice protocol, like microphone and how it works, nothing like this. You can have the final product. It's ready to go for the packaging and testing. Okay, here we are in the testing room and let's go and check it out. Come on. Okay, as you see here, this is the final product from the assembly line. So all the product is here for a packaging. As you see here, this is the final product here.